Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make a certificate of completion using Canva. First, go to the Canva website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create a free account quickly using your email or Google account. Once you're logged in, type certificate into the search bar at the top of the homepage. Press enter and you'll see a wide range of certificate templates. Browse through them and choose one that fits the style you want. Click on the template to open it. Now you can start editing the certificate. First, change the title. Click on the text that says something like Certificate of Achievement or Award Certificate and replace it with Certificate of Completion. Next, edit the recipient's name. Click on the name text and type in the name of the person who completed the course or training. You can also adjust the font, size, or color if needed. Then, add the details of the course. For example, you can type something like, "For successfully completing the Graphic Design Basics course." Add the date and the name of the organization or instructor if needed. If the template includes a signature line, click on it and add your name or upload a digital signature. You can also move elements around by clicking and dragging them. When you're happy with your design, click on the Files button in the top left corner. Then click Download. Choose PDF for print or PNG for digital sharing. Now your certificate of completion is ready to be used. You can print it or send it digitally. Thanks for watching.